Hello and welcome back to the first video of a brand new video series. Over the past few months, I have gotten countless requests to create a hands-on video course on return and risk in algorithmic trading. And that's exactly what this series is going to be. Our goal is to inspire, empower, and educate a global community of quants and traders. We provide world-class technology services and solutions that enhance your trading strategies, decision-making process, risk management system across equities, forex, indices, futures, options, and crypto. If you are looking for any kind of technology services or solutions to take your trading to the next level, please visit us www.thequantalpha.com for more information. With that being said, let's cut right to the chase and start by going over what you will learn in this video series. The purpose of this introductory video is to outline what you can expect to learn, the prerequisites for this course, and which resources we are going to be used in this series. My first goal with this series is to bring the entire risk and return trade-off closer to you so that you can take better decisions when you are trading. That means whether you are trading stocks, indices, future, option, bonds, forex, crypto, this course is for you. We will cover everything from understanding the concept, calculation, implementation, and we will see how you can take decisions by using them in the actual live algorithm trading. You can use them from basic trading to advanced machine learning trading strategies. We are going to cover different types of risk and return such as average annual return, compound annual growth rate, annual risk, upside or downside risk, beta, value at risk, maximum and average drawdown, risk to reward ratio, SHAR, Shatino, Calmer, Omega, and many more. I post a new video every week covering all aspects related to algorithmic trading, data science, quantitative research, machine learning, artificial intelligence. If you are passionate about this, you are in the right place. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notification so you never miss out any of my new video. Stay ahead of the curve and join our growing community of traders by subscribing now. With that being said, hope you are as excited as I am to get started with this algorithm trading series. In the next video, we will start with the course content of risk and return in algorithmic trading. We will be using Python and Microsoft Excel both for this course. This means you won't have to install any additional software for you to follow me along. I will try my level best to explain as simple as possible. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.